Morning. So last night we arrived so late at the camp that I wasn't able to film around. And today it's raining a lot again. That's why I have my hat, the umbrella, and the poncho, the pink poncho. And I will take you around the campsite. We've been here before in this campsite, and I forgot how it is. So let's go and see a little bit around. Cool. Let me show you. So this is the part with the toilets. Daddy, hold this for a second just to show inside a bit. Just for a second. Hopefully it's nobody. So this part is just the toilet and the mirrors kind of sink. Yeah, it's okay. So it's nothing much here, no showers. It's okay, Tati, go. Then there is a little bit of a part with the laundry. And I think it's very useful if you stay in the campsite for many days. We are not that type. We stay about 2-3 days in one spot, but not more. There's the office reception. I remember last time there was a place, I think we stayed on a grassy place. And those are the kitchen facilities, I think. They're doing some renovation around here. So let's see. Yes, let me stop this umbrella. Remember last time when we came here, it was raining also, and we stay at that table. So I won't go inside, but those are the facilities. I will come here again when there won't be so many people. So let's go around a bit, and I will take you to the beach side, because that's a good one. So let's see how is the beach today. But pretty much this area, the little cubby is the kitchen. The good part is they have fridge. I'm not sure if I said fridges. I'm not sure if I said that. The sun is there, is coming out, which is great. Oh yes, and I remember. So we were staying at the kitchen, and there was here a table. Here's the table, and then a kookaburra came, and Keith was scratching her head, and she was super happy. There are full of kookaburras here, and full of other birds and wildlife. It's a perfect area to hear noises. No, well, in the entire Australia you hear birds and wild animal in the morning, so it's not like you won't hear. Like, come to Australia, you hear nothing, and in a minute, everything. So it's not like you can sleep in the morning till 9 o'clock. If you want that, you need to go to a hotel, not camping. I'm trying to find, yes, these are the showers, I remember now, and I won't go in because I don't know who will be in there. The trek towards the beach should be around here somewhere, if I remember well, if not opposite way. But oh, there are baby birds on the road. Where are they? They're doing, oh, look at this. They took the caravan, they put it inside the garage kind of look, and they extended like a house. Oh wow. So beach access is around here, so let's go there. So interesting how they've done this. So it's a small camping site, but you can buy your own spots. Oh yes, I remember the spot. So good. Lucky I have my gumboots. The best thing to have in your car when you go traveling in Australia, especially now that it's a little bit autumn, and the rain, you don't know when it comes. You have to have gumboots. Gumboots. We don't love the camping site as it's small. Well, it's okay, but we do love this beach. Like this, it's our favorite spot to camp because it's just on the beach. You have the rocks there and an infinity of sandy beach, and you can relax. That's in far away. There is another lighthouse. Oh yeah, that must be the lighthouse from Byron Bay. Oh, very true. Look at this rays. Oh my goodness. A bit cloudy, but still beautiful. I'll show you how I do this one. Make a dress. Nobody will see. Pants up. And perfect. I'm not sure if you see, but right there is fog coming out from the forest, and the sun rays is magic. And somebody slept on the beach. How cool is that? Very good. Let me take my other camera and I will see if I can get a close shot of the Byron Bay Lighthouse right there on the top. I'm not sure if you hear the waves, but they're crazy. And people are still going surfing, so I will go for a walk at the surfer point because the guys are sleeping anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So let's go for a walk. I hope you can see in the camera how beautiful and green is this wood or peninsula. It's just stunning, and the rocks and the surfer in the background. Whew. Australia, Hawaii, where am I? This is stunning. I just love it. The surfers are going like crazy in the water. It's no fear, but not me. I couldn't do that. Oh my god, they got such a good wave. Amazing. Let's go closer and see if I can get them all a little bit much nicer on some waves. Stunning. Just stunning. So the guys are doing all their surfing things, and then one of the guys was on a wave, and I managed to capture him while the wave pushed him right like 1.5 meters in the air. The picture is not like the best picture, but it was a funny moment being able to capture that. may just found the perfect spot to take some pictures in the morning. If I find a dress, I'll come back to the end of the sea and take some shots. I think it's a good spot. Just stunning. The girls are here. Woohoo! Power ladies surfing, so good. Well done. And they are beautiful too. So good. On the way back, let's walk in the sand. Good for feet, good for nature. A little bit of grounding is good.
Then turn left onto Clifford Street.
It was a little bit of sunshine and the rain started again, but it's okay. By the time we reach at the beach, it should be gone.
Head west.
Yeah. Look how beautiful it is. So green. Oprește wiper-urile. Leo wants to have a break and we are going to the beach, Boulder Beach. Yeah, through here. Through there. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Let's see. I hope it's nice.
Hold this for a second and you record me how I walk for a second. Just break, okay?
Mr. Keith holding the stick right now, or GoPro. We're going to the beach.
Run.
Well, I guess this counts as a little pond.
Little pond. So we are at Boulder Beach in Bali now, and I'm not sure yet where are the boulder and the pool in the rock. It may be just in the back there, so we may go there on top of the cliff and see if we find anything in there. For now, we'll just spend a little bit of time here. I'm waiting for Leo to bring my camera so I can take this beautiful cliff formation on that side and get a closer look with the zoom lens, because GoPro can't take the reality of this beautiful place. It's amazing, beautiful, different. The rocks are big and GoPro can't take it. It can't. So let's spend the 5 minutes here and then we go to the big cliff. What you're looking for?
Stuff.
I think some people, they found some shells around there. Yes, we definitely need to go for the walk. So beautiful. I love hats and I look so good with the hats, but the hats are taken by the wind. So I'm with one hand on my head and one hand on the GoPro. I'm not exactly sure if people were talking about this rock formation, and maybe when it's low tide there is something else in there, but
What are you doing?
I don't know. Still looks nice. Wee-yaw! So good. Oh my god, such a lovely place. We need to reach to that cliff there, and we will see better the surfers from that cliff and the top, because I think that's where they go. If you see, he's climbing from there and goes all the way to that place and then probably jumping from those cliffs in the water. I'm not sure. Beautiful, beautiful place. Kate just saved the bee. Hopefully she will still be fine.
Should we move her?
No, don't put your hand, because she can bite you, Mama. Leave her, she will be fine. Go find some peepees or something.
What?
Peepees or shells in there, in here. No. Maybe crabs? Don't know. Well, it started to rain again, so we need to head back. Look at the camera, it's full of rain. So I'm taking Keith back in the car, wait for the rain to go away, and I will grab my camera and take some shots, but I will leave them in the car. We can't do much. Rain comes and goes. Oh, Tati is here. Hey Tati, I will take the camera and you go back. Change of goods, and that's it. You did play a bit. Let me see you. Look at the camera is on. It's all wet. Kitty. What? It's nice. There are so many kids on the track. Don't stress too much. Oh, so wet. Let's go back. I left the guys at the car and now I'm heading alone to the cliff. Let's see what we can find there, because mud. It's still raining, so whatever it is there, it is. Let's go. I think this is the one. These are the boulders, but now the sea is quite crazy, so and I can see it, and I will take you there where the water comes and creates a pool. We'll go closer to the stones, but not quite in there because I don't want to sleep my ass on the rocks. But what I like about this one is that this beach is that it's so wild and different than the others. The other places around the coast of Byron Bay, they are very white sandy beaches, and this one is full stones. So many stones. This walk you can go and walk. It's the great coastal walk. So grab a bike and you can go, or you can just go and walk for hours. I'm trying to see if I see any signage around here, but I can't see anything interesting. So let's go around the beach a bit and see what we can film there. Like I said, look at the rocks, but they sound so nice. Oh, so good. Man, but it's windy and rainy and everything. All right, let's go closer, a little bit closer to the beach, not too far. I may close this bloody umbrella because it's so windy that my umbrella will fly away. Look at these rocks. So different than other beaches. So beautiful though. Oh my god. If I had a tripod here, a long exposure would have been amazing. I will see if I can take one with the phone. I wonder where is those rock pools or whatever. I think they will be that way. Possible. Let's take some pictures here. And we found the rock pools. So this is the area where kids can swim. Here it is. Here's it. There's the crab. Oh, if Kid was here, he will take it in his hands, but I'm too scared. We found the beach side of the Boulder Rocks, which is pretty safe for kids to swim. And look at this water coming from the sea towards me. So keeps filling, and goes that way. Hopefully I'm safe in here. So good. And you can see I'm surrounded by all this wall of rock, so it's not like you'll be stuck in here. But because I have long pants, I can't go deeper. But we found them. Woo! Shoot. I was almost to fall in my ass. Oh Jesus, this is deep. Okay, I need to go around a bit. Oh. The water filled that pool a little bit more than I wanted. All right, so let's go back a bit in there and see what where the surfers are jumping in the water, and we go back. That's it. My exploration situation is finished here. Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm also wet. Was a good one. my stuff here for a second. And I will try to go as close as I can. Oh my god, look at that wave. Did they take it? Oh wow. Ooh, top of the cliff. I'll go there in a second. I may go. This is getting crazy. So I'm done here because I spent too much time in this neck of the woods trying to take the surfers, but the waves are okay but not amazing, so I'm just spending my time here. So let's go back to the car and let's go back to Lake Ainsworth, I think it's the name. So let's go. Beautiful rock formation here, but now it's enough. I need to get back to the car. The rain is starting to be crazy also. Woo! Very fast back to the car. All these guys are coming through here to do their swimming, but that's it. Let's go. Just a little bit of a view from the top, and some surfers doing their best thing. I think we got some good shots. I wish I had a drone to go around it, but it's okay. Sunday my drone is arriving and we'll be able to take some 70mm zoom shots. Amazing. So this is the Boulder Beach and the surfers in there. You can see why it's named Boulders, because there are so many rocks. So let's go back to the car and do something else today. Second, let's see what else is around here. Lennox Heads. Lennox Heads, I think it's the newer side of the Byron Bay. It's the houses and the apartments look new, and it's still a little bit bougie and hypey or hippie, but not as much as Byron Bay.
Ice cream.
After food, man.
But you said
Yes, you said you're hungry first.
in the morning.
You can have fish again if you want.
You said in the morning.
Yes, you can, but you said you're hungry. Didn't you say that?
Well, it's craving gelato.
Mm-hmm. What is gelato?
Ice cream.
Hey, see?
Lennox Head.
Mm-hmm. And the beach is just there.
I see it. I see it.
You've seen it?
I see it.
Okay, I wasn't. Look, gelato, see?
Do they have it?
Go and see what they have. Leo found his coffee. All press coffee, yes. Looking for coffee. Coffee is life. What? Go.
No.
What? Nice. Look what it says on the wall. Hello, my love. Beautiful playground. Houses on the beach. Not bad at all, Lennox. Not bad at all. Oh, if the weather wasn't so crappy, this water will have been amazing. But it is what it is. Look at this view. From here, he goes straight into the ocean.
We can have a walk.
Yeah. Julio, stay here. Come on, let's go. Lennox Beach. Amazing. We love it.
I want ice cream.
You'll get an ice cream, mommy. We just have to find the right place. If not in Byron Bay.
We saw crab.
You saw a crab?
But I went into a hole.
Oh, look at those houses. Stunning. Lennox Beach, a beautiful, amazing place. We love it. We will definitely be back here. Yeah, the wave was too big. Amazing. We love this town. I love the coast. I love the Boulder Beach. It's so different. It's a beautiful, coquette little town. And we are here at Lake Ainsworth. There is a little bit of a rainy day, but people are saying that this lake, it has really great benefits for your skin, and you will see the color of the lake is orangey brownish because of those minerals what it's inside, and it's not too bad, the water. You can see the color, it's orangey. Oh, but it's so beautiful. This will have been so good for the kayak or the boat. Yeah, so good. You can see the color, amazing, and so calm. Oh my god, we do need to come back here for sure. Beautiful. A bit cold. Huh? Okay. An entire family just came in to swim. They will put the boat in also by the look of it. Grandma is there, they help her to go in the lake, so just perfect. And like they said, this water is very good for your skin, and why not? We will be back for sure here. just arrived at Killen Falls walk track, so we are going to see the falls. It should be a great waterfall because with all this rain it should be full. So let's see what we find at the bottom of this track. What's up, dude? Waterfall viewing platform is 660 meters. The base of waterfall 1 kilometer return. Not bad. Grade 3 suitable for most ages, fitness level. Awesome. Beautiful start of the walk. The creek is just below. It's a super easy walk, full of vegetation and beautiful, beautiful birds around. I just see them popping here and there. So I can see the platform, it's just there, not far away now. Oh wow! Whoa! I told you it would be full. So much water, mommy. Hey! Leo loves it. Usually he's like, no, I don't want to go, blah, blah, blah. And then next minute, he loves it. This was good. The water flow was perfect. A little bit muddy, but not too bad. Go.
I know. You don't want to slip.
It's fine. It's okay. Just hold on the rail. You'll be okay.
What is that?
Yeah, just don't stop. Or maybe, come here, mommy. Come here. Stay on the side. Go on the side, mama. It's slippery. These shoes, we need the hiking shoes next time.
Be careful.
Tati's shoes are the best. It's alright, mommy. Just take your time. Okay. Huh? Okay, go that way. Huh?
Not in the mood.
We need to go that way so to see the waterfall, mommy. Because right now you don't see it. Ești ok, tati? Yeah. Wow. Oh. Ce face nenea la long exposure sau nu? I don't know. Oh, very nice, mommy. Woo. So good. So good. We need to go underneath. What? Just don't worry. It's okay. Oh my God, listen to this noise. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This is amazing. Beautiful. So good. Such a beautiful experience. The waterfall was amazing. Now we go back home, well, at camping, because Keith is hungry. Well, we may stop in Byron Bay again to eat, and then camping spot again. So we finished the day with an amazing tour of this beautiful place. Amazing. Imagine if the water was clear and the sky was clear with no clouds. This water would have been superb. If the sky was clear with no clouds, the water should have been amazing. But if we didn't have rain, we didn't have so much water. So I don't think you can have both worlds. But now let's go back. We have to climb this treacherous path again, and let's go and eat something. I think we've done amazing for today. So beautiful waterfalls to finish the day with this amazing view. It's amazing. I can't believe this. I'm so happy. I just think everything in my plan for this trip, besides the sun. Can't do much. Amazing.